Oh. Oh my god!
Anyways, let's do this.
3, 2, 1, go!
Stop making me laugh.
Fuck.
Where you're not expecting the thing in the middle.
I can't even hear.
Gotta restart up.
What is the green face? Why the green face?
I don't know.
Oh my.
Oh, you might have noticed the thing changed. Look in the top left.
What?
Look up here.
Oh my god. Why is the whole...
Oh. Just why not?
Fire, no, fire, fire, fire.
The only thing that you can hear is the hit sound.
I can hear the fire in the ball.
You can hear the song for like a second and then just this. Oh god, oh god. Hang on.
Oh my god.
I have an idea.
Oh no. Oh no. No.
Oh, don't worry, I'm not gonna do... You know what? Hang on.
Do
Exit.
obituary, do obituary.
Fine.
Do obituary with it, that would be hilarious.
Fine. Crash on
Not both
Mist.
sides. Don't play both sides.
Don't play both sides, or do you want me to play...
Both sides makes it like impossible to hear. Okay. Obituary. Okay, we're doing drop and roll, I guess.
3, 2, 1.
Hi there, icons.
Dead.
If you look on the left, you can see the icons. Doing shit. I guess. It was down there, then went up. And it's no longer here.
Forgot how so good this one was. Kid, what are you doing?
Do you just want to hear the song now?
No, just continue. I want to title this video to get back yet.
Sure. You can okay, the song is slowly overpowering the hit sound. Just small part. Hey there, Diablo.
My boy. Oh.
Absolute perfection.
Yes.
Quick question. Would you be willingly to edit this video?
Yes, I will.
Oh shit!
Gotta send it to me.
Make sure to zoom in on the notes that I missed right there.
I will.
And just put the text on the top saying, stupid ass bitch.
Oh my god.
I am slowly disintegrating.
I love it. That is so hard.
Ah yes, boyfriend is SpongeBob.
Yes,
As well,
it is.
every single sprite is SpongeBob.
YouTuber. Animation time? Wait.
Yeah,
Nope.
this is just unchanged.
Yeah. You
Oh.
just see SpongeBob in the back. I am SpongeBob.
Instead of I am God, it's I am SpongeBob.
You want to sponge with me?
What?
What? The three.
Diablo just sitting there. Like, what the fuck is this shit?
Yeah, I am SpongeBob.
I think the HUD being the health bar being detached is the lyrics attached to the health bar? I can't tell.
I think it is. It's funny though. Funny. Hell yeah. Yeah, hit his ass.
Whoops.
Hit his ass. Get him.
I don't have a keyboard. I don't have a keyboard.
After this, oh no, boyfriend, no! Come on, you gotta unleash your inner SpongeBob! Bam.
Cool. Ow, I itch. Ah,
Okay,
yes,
let's do
I am
obituary.
SpongeBob.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Replay.
Free play. No, no.
What?
Fat needle. I think you most likely won't be able to hear the lyrics. Oh, it overpowers it. Cool. It's SpongeBob.
Okay, end the video.
Yeah.
Right. Now let's take a look at something. Oh, what was that?